Hello there guys, and welcome to another video on my channel. It's a beautiful Sunday, and today we're going to measure the ROTALLA tires that we have changed about 30,000 miles. Let's go ahead with the one in the right side. We're going to measure the exterior and kind of try the interior, but I'm not sure if it's actually gonna work. So we have this thingy here. We need to, this is both from Alfords, by the way. We need to measure it. So the way to do it is to push it, and then you just lock it there. And looks like we have a 3.8 on the interior, which is, honestly, it's unexpected, to be honest with you. Let's do the same here on the exterior. I think the exterior might be a bit less, to be honest with you. And it's 3.3 the exterior. Technically speaking, you should be having just about the same size, but let me measure the exterior once again. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I have to just measure it properly. Let's double check this. It's 3.3. So it's just about, I suppose, right? So we have this on the right tire. Let's do the same for the left one, and then we're going to do the back as well. Because, you know, these tires, obviously, they were for 18,000 miles. They were at the back of the car. So very interesting. Let's say, make sure you don't have any.
So in total, 31,000.
Yep. If you turn it on, it will work as well. Let's try again. So this one has a 3.7, as you guys can see, millimeters on the exterior. There is a bit of a difference, which I'm not very sure why. God knows. I mean, I suppose it also depends on the roads as well, because the tires on the left side tends to be a bit more worn. 3.6 on the interior as well. It's not bad, I will say. We'll have to work around it a little bit. I think these are going to be a bit more worn. It will just make sense, but let's see. We have a 3.1 at the back. Exterior, left side. We have a 2.4 interior. .1. .4, 2.1. I think it says to say should be about 2.2, but technically speaking, the more you push it, it's just the minimum. So I'm not sure why that. Obviously, you can't expect for the tires to be perfect. And if I'm not mistaken, I think that was left on the left side as well from the beginning. 2.8 on this one, the exterior. Let's see the interior as well. It's a 2.9. I mean, I think as a conclusion, it's safe to say I should be okay to drive this about 5,000 more miles and then measure it again. Because usually what happens is that the tires on the front, I mean, obviously, they will go, they will get used a lot more. And then, you know, since we swapped it and we have a bit less at the back, I think I'm okay, 5,000 miles. Chances are we might be able to put another 10 on these tires, but I think 5 is going to be safe, because at the end, even though the legislation says 1.6, you know what, just change it. As soon as you get to about 1.92, just change it. So yeah, this was the video. I mean, I would say this is a good review for the tires, because they are cheap. And not just that, but these tires are mixed tires, so it's 4-season. Which means in general, I mean, they're not going to last as much as an example, if you get summer tires and you just, you know, travel summertime. So generally speaking, honestly, I wouldn't expect for this to last as much as this ones. But happy days, I think I'm just going to buy the same brand. So we're also going to put a link in the description so you guys know where to buy. But we'll see you guys on the next video. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, whatever, all the good parts. If you want to watch the other videos, because we need 2 more videos, one installing the tires the first time, and also when we swap the tires between front and back. I'll see you guys. Bye now.